So last time we were here, this door was not broken off. These were not busted out. And they still use this theater, so it's kind of that's a shame. Whoa! Did almost slip. Yeah, let's check it out. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, they still use this. Oh, they do. Oh, look it. That's why we can never get in, because they got it bolted. This is probably, I don't know, a concession or something. That was not in here. The one time we got in. Yeah, finally. You got that bright light going? Yeah, we're definitely in there too. Huh? Yeah. This sucks. Why would people do that?
Hold on, wait.
I'm pretty excited we actually got in here. Just be careful there's nobody squatting in here. Alright. Well, that's the theater, guys. Finally. 4th time's the charm. Should have came in here the first time. And the door was actually open. There's nothing. Just empty rooms. Last year.
There's a room right there.
Are you guys ready to get out of here?
I'm ready to go up.
Yeah. I don't think we'll be using this anymore, unfortunately. I'm not sure, but I'll have to go back and review and see if We just peeked in one time the door was open just to see, because we were in a hurry that day. There's a soda machine that we were able to see. Darn it, they're out. Darn it. Yeah, it's probably like a little concession stand or something. Oh yeah? Yeah, let's just go see. In here. Here as well. What is it, projection? Yeah? No more projector.
I don't know.
Oh, you can't even see anything. There you go. Yeah, you can't see much. It smells old up here.
Tell me, what do you see?
See a bunch of kids over here on the base. That's him. I thought it was those other guys for a minute. Bartender, Coors Light, please.